Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a new playlist. So without wasting my time, let's get started. So you first go to Google Chrome, then you go to youtube.com. Then you click on your channel profile. Then click on your channel. Then you go to YouTube Studio. Continue to the studio. Then you move to the videos. You click on videos. Then you select the video you want to add to the new playlist you're about to create. So I'm going to be clicking on this video. Then an option appears up here to add to playlist. Click on it. Then you have the option to select new playlist. So when you are done entering the title of the playlist and its visibility, click on create to finish your playlist. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe and like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment on the video.